needed that. Yo, okay, now you've got everything pretty much. Jellyfish! I got the badge for fishing everything! Bro, show off that completed board. I'm on the way. Fishing hut. I'm almost at the fishing hut. It's time to appreciate a max level fisherman. How does it feel to get outfished? You did it, Sonny. Congratulations. How does it feel to get outfished? It feels like I'm getting clawed by the deer. It's equally as painful. Well, we got it. Every single fish in the game, and even a dead watermelon. So please press that subscribe.
Minsan ano ko. Bracelet. Sana susunod ko na minsan. Hindi ko na nabubuksan. Ay, ginagaya. Hindi ko yung ginagaya. Pinapanood ko lang.
Mapapalayo tayo sa base natin. Oh my goodness. Ano ba yan?
Oh my
2.4
God.
kilometers. Kailangan natin gawin to. Kailangan natin gawin to. Patungo kay Trader Jen. Ay, meron akong dala. Unahin natin to. Madami akong lockpick. Kaya kitang buksan. Kaya kitang buksan. Eh, nabuksan ng isang lockpick lang. Isang lockpick lang, my friend. One? Okay, dalawa. Dalawang lockpick, my friend. Tatlong lockpick. Tatlo. Kamusta, barkada? Tayo po'y nagbabalik sa 7 Days to Die. At ngayong araw na ito, gusto ko na pong simulan ang paggawa ng ating base. Pero, wala pa tayong kagamitan. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang aking axe ay stone pa din. Primitive pa rin ang ating gamit. Ano ba? Primitive. Tama ba? Primitive. Okay, primitive. At isa lang po ang aking ikinatuwa, itong aking hammer. Kung mapapansin niyo naman po, mas mabilis na tayo makakapag-upgrade ng mga blocks. Pero medyo matatagalan tayo maghukay at the same time magputol ng mga puno. So kailangan natin ng mas magandang tools. At kung bago lang kayo dito, mag-subscribe na po kayo para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng 7 Days to Die. So bago tayo umalis, check muna natin ang